one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. I see beautiful red roses. And the Lord says, I'm drawing you deeper into my love, deeper into a place of encounter, a place of revealing my heart. For I love you more than anyone else ever has or ever will. I love you with a love that is new every morning, a love that is tender and strong. I want to heal your heart. I want to renew you, to strengthen you from the inside out. Trust in me that I am there by your side, the one who is bringing my strength to you, the one who is bringing my love to you, my love that is not shallow or distant, my love that is close. I am the one who is renewing you, the one who is filling you again and this day. Open wide your heart, allowing me to cleanse and to heal, to restore and to make new, allowing me to fill you again. Do not shy away, do not hide away, but approach me with confidence, for I am the Lord who loves you. I am the Lord who is with you, filling you again and anew this day. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.